how I wish Dennis Onyango had come to government and discussed his idea of departure before going away. It is possible that government may have brainstormed with him and discussed this and suggested other ways. Because as you know, the NRM government is a government that cares about the people at grassroots.
And all those things Mama was talking about. How about people like this? How about if we give them bursaries and they go and study in the university if they have not done university education, and then we deploy them with the civil service, deploy them because now this is at the 5. If you are to be trained and if you to be trained in the public service, you can work for another 20 years.
Tengo muchimpesanyo okulaba nti bannabyamizannyo babasiima bwe babako nga balina kye bakoledde eggwanga. Of course kiyamba n'abaana bato okuba nti baba motivated okuba nti bakola bulungi nabo mu maaso eyo babasiime nga baretiringa. So gubadde mukolo gw'amaanyi era nebaza President ne First Lady okuba nti basobodde okumusiima n'okutukyazaako mu State House.